Hello students, last time we have studied about activities of chapter number 4. We have studied activity 1.1 to 1.4. Today I am going to tell you about activity 1.5 to 1.8. Okay, so this activity 1.5, in this activity we are going to heat ferrous sulfate crystal which are green in color. What is the color of ferrous sulfate crystal? They are green colored crystal. Okay, so when we heat ferrous sulfate crystal in a test tube, their color will become reddish brown. What will happen with ferrous sulfate crystal? It will become reddish brown. You can see in this figure also. Okay, in this figure the girl is having a test tube in her hand. She is heating ferrous sulfate crystal in this dry test tube. After heating this substance, means ferrous sulfate, the color of ferrous sulfate will become reddish brown. Previously it was greenish and after heating it will become reddish brown. This is because of decomposition reaction. You can see here decomposition reaction has been written. 2FeSO4. This is ferrous sulfate crystal, solid state. Okay, those ferrous sulfate crystals are green in color. When heat is supplied, when those crystal will be heated, they will be converted into ferric oxide, which is in reddish brown color. What is the color of the ferric oxide? Reddish brown color. So ferrous sulfate will be heated and it will be decomposed into ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Being gas, both those substances will be evaporated, will be evolved. Which thing will remain in the test tube? Ferric oxide, and because of the formation of ferric oxide, the color will become reddish brown. So here I have written aim to study the decomposition of ferrous sulfate on heating. Apparatus, test tube and burner. Material required, ferrous sulfate crystals. Okay. Procedure: take 2 grams of FeSO4 crystal in a dry test tube. Heat the test tube over the flame of a burner. Observe the color of the crystal after heating. Now, observation. The greenish crystal will become brown on heating. Okay? Then, conclusion. On heating, the ferrous sulfate is decomposed into Fe2O3 and green color changes into reddish brown. So, this is the chemical reaction and here it is the diagram. Okay, so you will draw only this diagram. No need to draw this girl. Okay, you have to draw only the burner and the test tube and tongue. Okay, only this diagram will be sufficient for this activity. Okay, now the next activity, activity number 1.6. In this reaction we will study the decomposition of lead nitrate. Okay, well, when lead nitrate is heated in a test tube or we can say in a boiling tube, what will happen? NO2 gas will be evolved here and this is the color of this NO2 will be brown. कौन से color की gas होगी ये? Brown colored NO2 gas will be evolved when lead nitrate is heated. Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, you can draw the diagram with the help of your textbook also. Here it is burner. Lead nitrate is taken in the test tube. Okay, or we can say boiling tube. This is the test tube holder. Okay, then when this will be heated, this lead nitrate will be heated. Okay, so aim to study the decomposition of lead nitrate. Apparatus, test tube and burner. Material required, lead nitrate. Procedure: take about 2 grams of lead nitrate in a test tube. Heat the test tube over the flame of burner. Observation: brown colored gas evolved from the test tube on heating. Conclusion: nitrogen dioxide gas is evolved from the boiling tube on heating lead nitrate. And here it is the reaction, chemical reaction. This is the lead nitrate. Okay, when it will be heated, it will be converted into lead oxide and NO2 gas, which is the gas of brown color. This brown colored NO2 gas will be evolved from the test tube. So this is the decomposition reaction. Which kind of reaction this is? This is the decomposition reaction. So this is next activity, activity number 1.7. Our aim is to study the electrolysis of water. अपने क्या करेंगे? We will electrolyze the water. Okay. So here it is the diagram how apparatus are placed. Okay, so we will take one mug. Okay, we will put 2 electrodes. Both the electrodes are made up of graphite, and 2 test tubes will be placed in inverted position over those electrodes, and after that those electrode will be connected with battery. Okay, when switch will be on, then the chemical reaction, the water will be electrolyzed. Okay, H2O का क्या होगा, electrolysis होगा, and H2O will decompose into its constituent particles, they are hydrogen and oxygen. So H2O will be electrolyzed and it will be decomposed into H2 and O2. Okay, so here it is the apparatus. This is the plastic mug. 2 holes will be drilled in the bottom of the mug. Then 2 electrodes will be placed. After that those will be connected through battery with the help of copper wires. Okay, when the switch will be on, the reaction will start and H2O will start to decompose into H2 and O2. Okay, so this is the diagram you will draw. Okay, along with the activity. So here it is activity 7. You will write it in this way. Aim is to study electrolysis of water. Apparatus: plastic mug, test tube, 6-volt battery, carbon electrodes, copper wires and rubber cork. Material required: water, dilute H2SO4. Okay, we will put a few drops of dilute H2SO4 also in the water. Okay, procedure: take a plastic mug, drill 2 holes at the bottom of the mug and fix 2 rubber cork in it. Okay, that's why rubber cork क्यों fit करेंगे, जिससे कि वो water हमारा leak ना हो. Okay, arrange the test tubes in the inverted position such that carbon electrodes remain in it. Okay, हम उसको inverted position में रखेंगे test tubes को. Add water in the mug such that electrodes are immersed. water इस तरीके से हम water mug में इतना हम डालेंगे कि electrode उसमें डूब जाए, immerse हो जाए. Okay, add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to वाटर. ठीक है ना, ताकि वो कंडक्ट कर पाए. वाटर क्या होगा, प्योर वाटर होगा तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंडक्ट नहीं करेगा. सो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को कंडक्ट करवाने के लिए हम क्यों डालेंगे, फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. कनेक्ट इलेक्ट्रोड टू अ 6-volt बैटरी. नाउ स्विच ऑन द करंट एंड लीव द apparatus undisturbed for some time. Then what will happen? Observation: oxygen gas evolved at cathode and hydrogen gas is evolved at anode. Okay, conclusion: when water is electrolyzed, the water decomposes and O2 and H2 gas get separated. दोनों गैस क्या हो जाएगी, सेपरेट हो जाएगी. H2 और उसके अलग हो जाएंगे. And point to be noted that amount of hydrogen gas will be doubled. ठीक है ना, ऑक्सीजन से कर से हाइड्रोजन का गैस का अमाउंट क्या होगा, डबल होगा. क्यों, क्योंकि इसका जो मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला है इसमें हाइड्रोजन कितना है, डबल है. हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन का रेशियो क्या है, 2:1. सो हमको जो इलेक्ट्रोड्स पे हमको हाइड्रोजन गैस मिलेगी, द अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस विल बी डबल देन ऑक्सीजन. ओके, नाउ दिस इज अवर एक्टिविटी नंबर 1.8. अवर एम इज टू स्टडी फोटोकेमिकल डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ सिल्वर क्लोराइड. हमारा एम क्या है, फोटोकेमिकल डिकम्पोजिशन करेंगे हम सिल्वर क्लोराइड का. ओके, this is the apparatus we have placed. Okay, what we have to take, we have to take only one china dish and put some silver chloride in it, and we will put this china dish in sunlight. Then the silver chloride will be decomposed with the help of sunlight. Okay, so here it is written, the activity will be written in this way. Apparatus: china dish. Material required: silver chloride. Procedure: to take about 2 grams of silver chloride in a china dish. Put this china dish in sunlight for some time. Observation: the white color of silver chloride changes to grey. White color किस में convert हो जाएगा, grey color में. Conclusion: silver chloride decomposes into silver and chlorine. This is silver chloride. With the help of sunlight, it is converted into silver and chlorine, and because of this silver, the color will appear as grey color. Okay, पहले वो कैसा था, white था. After decomposition, it will be converted into grey color. Okay, so in our next video, I will tell you about next activities. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.